Welcome to Ravenswood Terrace. Take a look at our beautiful model apartment. Stainless steel appliances in all our apartments. Can't forget the in-unit laundry. This bedroom is so cozy, and look at those closets. Our amazing fitness center is one of our many amenities here, with even more new gym equipment coming soon. Our clubhouse is the perfect place to relax, get some work done, or even plan an event. Residents can even use the club room kitchen for a snack or some coffee.